You know, Sophia, I'm really happy you're here. Now I have someone to talk to, someone to share the work with, and honestly, someone I can call a friend.
That's sweet, Bear. I'm happy to have you too.
And by the way, tomorrow, Maggie will take us out for dinner. It's our end-of-month celebration.
Really? So you all go out every month?
Well, usually, yes. It's kind of a tradition here. Maggie is probably too busy to tell you about it.
Maybe. She didn't say anything to me.
You know how she is. Super careful with drinks and recipes, but with other things, she's more like, I'll think about it when the time comes.
So where do we usually go for dinner?
Normally, I call a familiar restaurant and book a table. What kind of food do you like?
I'm not sure. I'm not picky. I can eat almost anything.
That's perfect. At least we don't have another Maggie, super picky and only eats vegetarian.
Did someone just say my name?
I was just talking about our end-of-month dinner.
Ah, right. I almost forgot about it and haven't told Sofia yet. Tomorrow evening, we'll all go out for dinner. Every last day of the month, we take time to relax, talk, and look back at our month together. It's our little tradition. We'll close the cafe a bit early and go at 7 p.m. Beatrice, could you book a table for 7:30 p.m. just to give us time?
Of course, Maggie. I'll take care of it.
Good evening, Sun Harbor Restaurant. May I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for 3 people, please.
Certainly. May I have the date and time for your reservation?
Yes, it's for tomorrow evening at 7 p.m.
Let me check our availability. Thank you for waiting. I'm very sorry, but we are fully booked at 7 p.m. tomorrow.
Oh, I see. Do you have anything earlier or later?
Yes, we do. We have tables available before 6 p.m. or after 8:30 p.m. Would any of those times work for you?
Unfortunately, no. Those times won't work for us.
I understand. I'm very sorry that we cannot accommodate your preferred time. If you like, you may call us again another day.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling Sun Harbor Restaurant. Have a wonderful evening.
No luck. They're fully booked at 7.
All right, let's try one more restaurant.
Good evening. Thank you for calling Hill Garden Dining. How may I assist you today?
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. May I have the date and time for your reservation?
Yes, it's for tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. for 3 people.
Certainly. Please allow me a moment to check availability. Thank you for waiting. We do have tables available at 7 p.m. tomorrow.
Oh, that's great. I have one more question. Do you offer vegetarian dishes? Our boss, Maggie, eats vegetarian food only.
Let me check our menu for you. At the moment, we have 1 vegetarian salad and 1 vegetarian soup available.
Oh, do you have anything more filling, like pasta or grilled vegetables or maybe tofu dishes?
I'm very sorry, but we do not offer those dishes at this time. Our vegetarian options are quite limited.
I understand. In that case, I think we'll need to look for another place. But thank you very much for your help.
You are very welcome. If your plans change, please feel free to call us again. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. You too. Well, we found a table, but they don't have the food Maggie likes. Maggie, I'm really sorry. I called 2 restaurants, but it didn't work out. One is fully booked, and the other doesn't have any good vegetarian dishes.
Don't worry, dear. There's a large tourist group visiting the island this week, so many restaurants might already be full. Let me think for a moment.
Maybe we can change the dinner to another day?
Wait. There might be one place where we can still have dinner tomorrow.
Then let me call them right away.
No, let me call. It's time I talk to an old friend.
Good evening. This is Seabreeze Grill. Rowan speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, Rowan. It's me, Maggie, from Clockwork Café.
Maggie! Wow, this is a surprise. It's been a long time. How have you been?
I've been fine, thank you. And you? The restaurant must be busy as always.
Busy would be an understatement. We've got a huge tourist group arriving tomorrow, so most restaurants on the island are already full.
Yes, I heard. That's why I'm calling. Rowan? I need help. I'm looking for a table for 3 for tomorrow evening.
A table for tomorrow. That's going to be difficult. Almost everything is fully booked. But I can't say no to an old friend. Let me see what I can do. All right, Maggie. We can arrange an outdoor table for 3 people. It might be a little chilly at night, but the view is perfect and it's quiet out there. Would that be all right?
That sounds wonderful. Yes, that will be perfect for us. Please help me set it up.
And you still eat vegetarian, right?
Yes, I do. But please prepare regular dishes for my 2 friends.
Absolutely. We'll serve the full set of our traditional dishes. And I'll prepare something special for you, too.
Thank you, Rowan. You're always so thoughtful.
Oh, it's nothing at all. We'll be ready for you. See you tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Goodbye, Rowan. See you tomorrow.
Take care, Maggie. Looking forward to it.
Yeah. Sophia here. Thank you everyone for watching. If you find this video interesting, please help Team Sophia by clicking like and subscribe.